let's get into what is detection engineering and actually talk through that. The goal of a detection engineer, let's get into this from, as we think about this step by step, we're going to break it down. I have an idea that I'd love to share with you on this. The goal of a detection engineer is not just to write rules in a sim, right? It's not just to write queries. It's to deliver actionable insights to analysts and responders. And I make that key distinction because actionable is kind of this barometer that we should be using more in security and detection engineering. So anyway, the point of that is you need to understand and provide the necessary business and threat understanding as well as data understanding when you write this content so that your analysts and responders have the necessary context to make it actionable, right? If I look at this green dot on the slide here and I think about what is this, right? This is kind of typical of what analysts are presented with when a rule fires, right? They're just like, oh, here's a thing, here's a green dot. Now, if I zoom out and you see based on the context that this is a leaf on a tree, well, now you start to make sense of it, right? The dots start to line up as part of a bigger picture. You're given that business and threat understanding as well as the data understanding that's necessary for you to put that in context. So writing that content as a detection engineer, it's very important that you make the output of that actionable.